Okay, so just looking at creating assemblies. So if we go to new, go to our assembly files and standard millimeter assembly. Okay, so what we need to do to start off with, we've got a place part. So left click here and we'll just start with our body. Generally, the first thing you put in there is pinned. So we just place with the left click, right click and go OK. Just as it's sitting now, it's not sitting too great. So I might go to the look at tool, and then we can use our navigation toolbar up here just to get that sitting a bit nicer. And we can click right click and set current view as the front. And now you can see that that's the front, so we just turn that around. You can also just free orbit that to position how you want to have it. So now we're going to place in our axles. So just one at a time. I'm going to do the front axle to start off with. Place it here. Okay. Scrolling in. Selecting constraint. And so if we hover over our axle, we get this line. So with our constraint tool, for doing dowels into holes, we go axis line and axis line. And then from there we go apply. Make sure you hit apply. So at this stage, that's actually constrained along that area. The next thing that we need to do now is to go flush from side to side. So flush from this face and face, and you'll notice it sits flush. So we need to create an offset. So we can type in 16, and that's fine. If it was going the other way, you could actually go -16, and we go apply. Now we're going to put in our back axle. And just following the same process. So constrain, move the dialog box. So center point or axis point, apply. Then selecting flush. When you hover over the little icons, they actually show what they are if you wait on a second. So we're selecting flush. So this surface, that surface, and this one's 20mm offset. And we hit apply. And then we're just going to place in our wheels. So front wheels, two of them, so place and place, okay. And we can just make them flush. So if I go this surface and this surface, oops, cancel, to undo, just make sure that we've got done flush, this surface and this surface, flush. I just need to do the little axle part there, and then we're going to go flush, flush, apply. Same thing with this one. We'll just have to make sure we get that axle first, the axis, using mate, apply, and then we can orbit to do the other side. So flush, that one, and apply. There we go, and you can go through and do the same thing with the back wheels, and then that will be finished and ready to put into our drawing, and then just save it into your documents.